Hey guys, Jason Guyman here with Christmas Lights Community. So, ChristmasLightsTraining.com. Today, we are putting up lights in the beautiful snow. It looks beautiful. It really stinks putting up Christmas lights. So, today I'm going to tell you something that will get you a call back if you're not careful. And I will show you what it is, and then I'll talk about it here a little bit. So, you can see we have a clip right here. You can see we have another clip right there. Yep, that's right. There is a clip there. This is a big thing you want to do, is make sure, this is something you want to make sure that we don't leave a lot of clips on the ground. And it's tough in the snow because they'll pop off, and then the next thing you know, you can't find them. So if it is snowing and you do this as a Christmas light business, make sure you're telling your customer that, hey, I may have lost a clip or two and they fell off and I couldn't find them. We looked for them. If you have a problem, we'll actually come back and put them up and pick them all up. But this can be an issue. We've had a call back. My dog choked on it, my baby, whatever. It looks horrible. It does look bad. And sometimes in the snow, there's just not a lot of things you can do about it. It's just part of putting up Christmas lights in the snow. Putting up Christmas lights in the snow stinks. It gets you back to the old ladder days, putting up Christmas lights all the way up around the whole house using a ladder. That's the way I used to install lights, because I was scared of heights. I was scared kind of being on a roof. I didn't know how. Wasn't really properly trained, and I didn't know. And so once I got the goat, I got the cougar paws, we anchor off, all that great stuff, and so now we can do it up on the roof. But when it's snowing, you really can't do it up on the roof. You really got to be careful. There is no second chances when you're sliding on a roof when it's full of snow or ice. Last week it was ice, this week it's snow. So hope this helps you out. Go please down below, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to learn how to put Christmas lights up on a roof, check out this video. If you need to know how to make extension cords, check out this video. Thank you and have a great day.